Video title, Original 925 Sterling Silver Disney Charms for Pandora Bracelets, Tinkerbell, Marvel Heroes, and Star Wars Bells. Introduction. Greetings, jewelry enthusiasts. In this video, we're immersing ourselves in the captivating realm of Disney-themed charms. We'll explore a mesmerizing collection of 925 sterling silver charms meticulously designed to embellish your Pandora bracelets. From the iconic Tinkerbell to valiant Marvel heroes and the enchanting Star Wars bells, this DIY jewelry-making journey promises to ignite your creativity. Let's commence. Scene 1, Disney Magic in Sterling Silver. Imagine adorning the magic of Disney around your wrist. These original 925 sterling silver charms encapsulate the essence of cherished characters and narratives. Crafted with exquisite attention to detail, these charms transcend mere accessories, they embody your affection for Disney's spellbinding universe. Scene 2, Tinkerbell's Delight. Our voyage commences with the endearing Tinkerbell charm. Exquisitely crafted, this charm beautifully captures Tinkerbell's mischievous allure and iconic pixie dust. It stands as a symbol of imagination and the belief that faith, trust, and a little bit of pixie dust can yield wondrous outcomes. Scene 3, Heroes from Marvel. The enchantment continues with heroic charms from the Marvel cosmos. Whether you resonate with Iron Man's brilliance, Captain America's valor, or the formidable might of the Hulk, there's a charm that resonates with your inner hero. Scene 4, Star Wars Enchantment. For those drawn to intergalactic adventures in distant realms, our Star Wars bells are an absolute must-see. These charms encapsulate the spirit of the Star Wars saga, echoing with the Force's energy and the essence of legendary figures like Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, and Princess Leia. Scene 5, Craft your own story. What adds an extra layer of uniqueness to these charms is their DIY aspect. These charms are more than just bracelet adornments, they beckon you to embark on a creative expedition of your own. Use them to fashion necklaces, earrings, or even personalized keychains. Unleash your imagination and sculpt personalized pieces that narrate your individual story. Scene 6, Jewelry Making Adventure. Embark on a journey into the realm of jewelry crafting with these original Disney charms. Regardless of whether you're a seasoned artisan or a novice, working with these charms is a gratifying and joyful venture. Infuse your love for Disney and your zeal for creativity into every piece you fashion. Conclusion. And there you have it, a glimpse into the universe of original 925 sterling silver Disney charms tailored for Pandora bracelets. From Tinkerbell's whimsy to the valor of Marvel heroes and the allure of the Star Wars epic, these charms stand as a homage to storytelling, imagination, and the magic of DIY jewelry making. Thank you for accompanying us on this radiant odyssey. Until we meet again, keep crafting and cherishing the enchantment.